Hello friends, let us start with lesson number 7. Let us solve our own problems. So can you tell what problems can you identify from the following pictures? They've shown some pictures. My area gets water only thrice a week. Garbage has piled up. I have to walk to school with my nose covered. I feel like riding bicycle to school every day, but there is no cycle track. My father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. So, issues in civic life. So, you have got a glimpse of what can be the problems and issues in the villages and cities and towns. So, there can be a water problem, there can be a garbage problem, there can be a problem of the roads. So, all these things come under the problems of civic life. So, we encounter many problems in our civic life. Just now, we saw the examples of the problems that we encounter in our civic life. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder. So we have order. Order means our routine. Okay, things which are kept properly, they are in order. If your life is going according to a certain plan, it is in order. When we face problems, it is disorder. That means we are disturbed. Okay, nothing is easy for us. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder. If we turn a blind eye towards problem, they become worse. It is best to solve them in time. So if we overlook the problems, turn a blind eye means overlook it. Don't look at it. Even if you close your eyes, the problem still persists. It is there. You need to solve the problem. That is the best thing that you could do. So even if the cat is closing its eyes, that doesn't mean that people are not looking at it. People are looking at the cat and it's drinking milk by closing its eyes. So the problem faced by people in cities and villages can be called as the problems or issues in the civic life. It's important to be able to identify such issues. One person cannot solve these problems. So first step is to identify, accept that there are problems around you in the city, in the village. It can be a water problem, garbage problem, or some other dispute. One person cannot solve this problem. So it's a collective effort. We have to come together. We need to talk, sit down, and then we need to solve the problem by discussion. Now, solving dispute. Dispute arising over various issues in towns and villages can be a problem, and this affects the well-being of the village, and it disturbs the unity and obstructs the progress of the village. So if the disputes are not very serious, you go to the local authorities, people that are respected in your community, go to them and try to get the problem solved by discussion, of course. So, however, if the dispute is not solved in this way, we need to take it to the appropriate bodies like police station or court. So, if there is a problem related to two parties, two people are there, they have a disagreement regarding something, we can go to a person who is respected by both of them and accept the solution that is put forth. If the problem is a big one, serious one, we need to go to the police station or court to solve it. So since 2007, the government encourages this problem solving and peace in the society. That's why they have started this Mahatma Gandhi Dispute Free Village Mission. So in villages, few people are living. There are certain problem at local level. If the village people come together and try to solve it, we can give an award to this. That is what the government thought. Villages have to solve their disputes by using this method, get the peace awards, and then different committees has to be set up. So city or mohalla committee is to be set up to solve this problem. Now there is example that is given, Hivre Bazaar. So in the village of Hivre Bazaar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a big problem. So there are places in India where it rains like anything. It's highest rain receiving part of the whole world, Cherrapunji. Okay, near that, the area near that. And there are some places where there is water shortage. Problems are there. India is a very big country, vast terrain. So this problem has to be solved, and it was solved with the participation of the villagers, and other problem of animal feed were also solved. So many problems are there. If you come together, help each other, and we can solve the problem. That is what is told here. Many villages face the water problem, water shortage. So what are the suggestions and reasons for it? Now, cleaning a village through Shramdan. So people in the world, they require, if they work somewhere, they need some compensation. They need money. So if I work for you, I require some money from you. Then only I'll work. Why should I give my work for free? But government and people here, they are asking for doing work for free. That is Shramdan. So people of Kutwadi village, Osmanabad district, clean the village through Shramdan. So they understood the collective responsibility. Village is theirs. If there is a lot of garbage around, there can be a possibility of disease. That's why let's come together. We don't have money. The government doesn't have money. Suppose government can do the work, but it may take time. So what we can do at local level, people can come together and start working on their own without any money. That is Shramdan, voluntary contribution of labor. Come together, clean the village, make the village a good place to live, avoid diseases. They decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. First, the wastewater problem was dealt with, and then garbage problem was solved with the help of vermiculture. So Sant Gadge Baba used kirtans and stressed the importance of cleanliness. So he said that we have to keep our villages clean. Then only these problems of diseases could be eradicated. We can stop these diseases by cleanliness. Self reliance and education, that is what is important. Educate yourself. Okay, be dependent on yourself, don't depend on others. Start cleaning the village, start cleaning your house. He showed people how to clean the village through his own action. It's not what he was just saying things. He used to take the broom in his hand, start cleaning the village, and people used to join, and the villages were soon clean. Then Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. So here are the pictures of these saints. They came together and they worked for the betterment of the society. Here are some questions. What criteria will you use to select the peacekeepers? So they are just talking about Shramdan and all, and you can have some committees like peacekeepers in your school, and you have to think over these things, like what rules and methods and how will you understand the dispute can be solved peacefully. That is what you have to think. Just read these questions, you will understand. Next part is for society to be peaceful. Basic needs of all sections should be met. If everybody has food to eat, the problems will be solved. Most of them. So whatever are the needs of the people, whatever they need, food, clothing, shelter, these are the three basic needs. Food, clothing and shelter. If they get these things very easily, then most of the problems, they vanish. There are no problems there. Exploitation of society must be stopped. Inequality must decrease. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life. Learning importance of peace by using peaceful methods. We can create peaceful environment in family, school and community. So everybody is equal. Everybody should be treated equal. Everybody should be able to participate in public life. Suppose I want to go to theatre to watch a movie. I should be allowed. If I want to go and eat in a restaurant, I should be allowed. So there was a time when Indians were not allowed to go in theatres when Britishers ruled us. There were times when Indians were not allowed to get into restaurants to eat food with the Britishers. So it's like this. So today's situation is changed. Everybody is equal in front of the law, and peacefully we should live and help each other. Now always remember, if there is peace in the family, school and society, everyone will benefit. For progress, peace is necessary. Peace contributes significantly to the progress, creates scope of advances in various fields like business, industry, education. So if the roads are closed, if people are fighting with each other, how can you do business? You have to close your shops or businesses. So for people to get good money to do business, we need peace in the society. Entertainment, science, technology, all these things can grow, flourish if there is peace. So in this way, peace becomes a social value rather than a personal need. Society needs peace. Everyone has a responsibility to solve the problems in civic life. Problems can be solved if everyone cooperates. Sit down, talk, discuss, have a dialogue, come one to one, talk about the problems. Let us try to find out some solutions to the problems. Dispute can be solved peacefully. If there is a peace, the family, school and society, everyone benefits. Peace is a social value. Everybody requires peace. That is what is told here. Thank you.